In this video we will show you how to convert an estimate to a job card. If you remember issuing the estimate to the customer, then you can go to Sales, View, Estimate. Find the relevant estimate using the search fields as required and then press Convert to Job. However, a lot of the time the customer will simply book their vehicle in and you may not remember creating an estimate. So you might instead create the job first. We will show you how Onyx handles this type of situation. Move to the Diary tab and select the date that the customer is booking the vehicle in for. Select which resource you are going to need. In our example, we have an MOT ramp along with ramp 1 and ramp 2, but you can set the resources yourself and have as many or as few as you need. The resources can be ramps as in our example, but it could also be the names of your mechanics, etc. Double click the time slot that you want and you can now enter the appropriate details. We can add additional instructions if we need more space, and then we select the vehicle. Enter the vehicle registration and Onyx will display the vehicle in the drop-down if this has previously been saved. If we select the vehicle, Onyx will remind us that there is an existing estimate for this vehicle. We can either ignore that or we can load the details. You will now see that the items from the estimate have been loaded into the job card. We can still add parts and labour if we wish. You can now save the job card. Onyx will ask if you want to mark the original estimate as converted. We will answer yes. From within the diary, we can drag the job around or even between resources. You can even move it to a different day. If you need to edit the job card, simply click it again. And finally, you can add additional appointments if this vehicle needs to leave the workshop and come back on a different day. Be sure to watch the next video in this series, which shows how to convert the job card into a finished invoice.